What if 2000s rap was all country? I think it would sound like this. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop singing. Oh, no, that's a rough rider's roll. I'm going down, down, baby. Yo, street in a Range Rover, street sweeper, baby. Cock ready to let it go. Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa wood. Listen to the pound, light it up, take a puff, pass it to me now. I got that wood grain with the leather seats. I got the window so dark, you need a flashlight to see me. Smoking on that Doja, four of my buddies in the back screaming, don't let me soldiers. 1, 2, 3 and the fall. Snoop Doggy Doggy, Dr. Dre is at the door, ready to make an entrance. So back on up, because you know it about to rip stuff up. Give me the microphone first so I can bust it like a bubble. LA and Nashville together, man, you know you in trouble. And I ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Young locked out people, so we're crazy. Remember walking you from school and homies hate me, but I ain't tripping cause I know one day, girl, you be my lady. You probably have my babies. I know it sounds crazy, but thugs need love. If you real girl, save me. Wake up, wake up, wake up, it's the first of the morning. Get up, get up, get up, catch some tricks and get up. Wake up, wake up, wake up, it's the first of the morning. Get up, get up, get up, everybody saying, give me 2 pair, cause I need 2 pair, so I can get to stomping in my Air Force Ones. Get to stomping in my Air Force Ones, singing Colt 45, 2 zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. We can go to the park after dark, we can smoke that tumbleweed. So roll, roll, roll my joint, pick out the seeds and stems. Feeling high as hell, fly through Palmdale, skating on Dayton rims. So roll, roll, the 83 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. And my tapes and my CDs just don't sell. I bet my caddy will. I wanna be a baller, a shot caller, 20-inch blades on my Impala. Call her, getting paid tonight. Swish a roll tie, got sprayed by acne at the highway. Big money the flyway, but there's got to be a better way, better way, better way, yeah. Boys and girls wanna hear a true story. Saturday night, I was at this real wild party. They had the liquor overflowing the cup, about 5, 6 strippers trying to work for $1. And I took one girl outside with me, her name's Mariah. She went to junior high with me. I said, why you up in there dancing for cash? I guess a whole lot's changed since seeing you last. She said, what would you do if your son was at home, crying all alone on the bedroom floor, and he's hungry, and the only way to feed him is to sleep with a man for a little bit of money, and his dad is gone. So we're smoking rock now, in and out of lockdown. I ain't got a job.